Greetings, technology enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of signals and systems, a cornerstone topic in electrical engineering and communications. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about how electronic devices communicate, this video will shed light on the basic concepts and their real-world applications. What are signals? Signals are functions that convey information about the behavior or attributes of some phenomenon. Take audio signals, voice or music, and video signals, images or moving pictures, as examples to illustrate the point. Signals are classified into analog and digital, each with distinct differences. Transitioning to systems, they are entities that receive signals as input and produce signals as output. Think of a smartphone processing incoming signals to perform tasks. Understanding systems is crucial for designing and analyzing communication and control systems effectively. Delve into time domain analysis, explaining concepts like impulse response and convolution. Use animations to demonstrate how systems respond over time to different inputs. Present simple mathematical examples to clarify the concepts. Moving on to the frequency domain, it's significant in analyzing signals and systems. Introduce Fourier transforms as a tool to convert signals between time and frequency domains. Use graphics to show how different frequencies are represented and analyzed. Connect theory to practice by discussing applications in various fields, such as telecommunications, audio and video processing, and biomedical engineering. Highlight key technologies like filters in audio engineering and modulation techniques in telecommunications to give viewers practical insights. Summarize the key points discussed and encourage viewers to explore further into the topic for a deeper understanding. Sign off with an invitation to subscribe and leave comments with questions or topics they'd like to see covered in future videos.